Hi Simon, I've modified that Xara file you found to make this one possibly a bit easier to do as a tutorial on rather than the one you wanted. So if we just, this is just text to remind me of what you were asking. If we just do a preview of that, you have this text headline in here and click on that read more, and it comes up with the additional text here. You wanted to know how you could put your own text in there. Basically, you have a mouse off layer, then you have these read more buttons, read more pop-up layers, and we'll go back to those in a minute. So you've got the mouse off, so you've got photograph there, headline text there, which you can get quite a bit of text in, as you can see, and the button, which links to read more one. So if you wanted to change that image there, you can go into the bitmap gallery, scroll down, see if I can find. I'll put this one here and just pop it into there. That changes the photograph in that thumbnail. I can then go into the read more one layer and similarly get the bitmap gallery and just drop that into there. So that changes that. We go back to the mouse off layer, and if we preview it, the image has changed, and the image is changed on the pop-up layer. So that's that one. Now with this text headline here, which you couldn't do on the demo that I sent you because it wasn't meant to do this. I've got some draft text here, and I can get this headline that I'm going to use. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to put that, Control V, that into that space, and that says Arsenal fear striker Kai Havertz could miss the rest of the season with a hamstring injury. So you can then go into read more, and up here is your headline in heading text 1, H1 text, Control V. That gives you the headline. So the other thing then is you can want to put in some content. You can copy that, or you type it in yourself, however you do it. The text tool, select that text there, Control V, that gives you that text there. So we go back into the mouse off layer, preview it. It now has the headline text there. If we go read more, it now says headlines that. Sorry about this. This is just me searching for my mouse. And that text that you want. So it's quite simple to do that. Just go back into the mouse off layer. Right, now you wanted to know on the read more button, you wanted to make that text your own text. It's quite easy, just type in there my own text. Because there's a limit to that, because the button will only stretch so far, and if you want bigger, longer buttons than that, you'd have to get stretchy buttons that don't overrun into the next one, and that's that. So you can do this to each and every one of these. You can make as many of these as you want. One other thing you can do is, I've just put this grid around these. I've got these four shapes, and they're in the colour of yellow, but it's titled, if you can see it. You can't see it down there. It's called link, that colour. It's a name colour. I've called that link. So I can put that over there and just pull it up so it's over that, and then turn down the opacity to like that, so you still see it, but you're gonna, I normally put it at 99, but you can see it there. And you can also then hit that, click that, link to pop-up layer, and it would be read more one and apply. Similarly, this one, read more, link to pop-up layer, to apply. Just check that one. Yeah, okay, so if we just test that. So to click there, my own text, you can click that, and that will take you there as well. Click there, that will take you to there as well. So that's another way of doing it. Let's say if this link colour, if I go into the name gallery, I don't know if you've got a name gallery, you can select the link that selects all that link colours, and just put that down to 99%. Then when you preview it, you can't actually see the button, but they're still there. I didn't do those two, but they're there. That's another way of doing it. Finally, I think you wanted to change the colour of the buttons. These buttons here, if you are in a named colour, and that's theme colour 1, that was the name of the named colour when I imported them in from Xara catalogue or whatever it is. So if we then just click on the colour gallery, open the colour gallery, drag that theme colour 1 in there, so it says theme colour 1, and if you want it, you can then change it whatever colour you want. You can see that how the buttons are changing as you go along. You wanted it black, so all you've got to do is slide this down over black, and you've got black buttons, testing, and black buttons. So anyway, I hope that helped, and if you need any more help, please get back. This is Egg, all the best, cheers, bye.